Welcome to another prime property listing. Today, we'll unveil a modern masterpiece in home design. Prepare to step into luxury with this magnificent 3-bedroom modern villa, nestled in the serene beauty of Arco da Calheta. This remarkable single-story residence, sprawled across a generous plot of 892 square meters, boasts meticulous design and an open-space layout. Imagine a seamless blend of the dining and living areas with a gourmet kitchen adorned with top-tier materials. A spacious laundry room serves as a practical addition. 3 spacious bedrooms, each a private sanctuary with its own bathroom, 2 featuring walk-in closets. A garage with room for 4 vehicles, extra uncovered space for 2 more, and a handy storage area. Outside, an infinity pool, barbecue area, and lush garden paint a paradise. Further enhancing this abode's allure are its modern comforts, including air conditioning, double-glazed windows, solar panels, video intercom, and a sound system both indoors and out. Find peace in Arco da Calheta, where sea views meet luxury living in a year-round comfort climate. Don't miss out, schedule your viewing, subscribe today.